England, your charm is timeless and true. From the Shakespearean plays to the morning dew, from the bustling cities to the serene countryside, you're a land of wonders where the heart takes pride. England, where past and present entwine, your landscapes and legends forever shine. From the white cliffs of Dover to the Yorkshire moors.
It doesn't have a tag on it.
Well, go find one. Go get another one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make my way over there.
Oh, yeah, there's one.
Yo sí para comprar el pin de eso para la
Okay.
Which one do you want?
How are we doing, guys?
Good, how are
How are
you?
you?
Good. You probably realise there's lots to the ones. Guessing you're from America.
Yes.
Cool. I know that we have American ones here as well. So I don't know if you knew Serafina from Fantastic Beasts. She was head of the Ministry of Magic. Her tree is from like Louisiana area, Swamp Mayhaw, which is a tree from your area. On the core is a cross between a werewolf and a vampire called Rougarou, which is a mythical creature from that area.
Okay.
So a lot of the stuff with J.K. Rowling actually based on real things.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's neat.
So just letting you know, yeah, lots of information went into the wands. If you want to
Definitely
some knowledge on them.
No matter.
When's your birthday?
March 14th.
Sorry?
March 14th.
March the 14th. So that one ties up with an ash tree. Ash. Ash is very important. So when you see the little helicopters come down at the end of the year, the single ones, that's from an ash tree. Ash is an amazing wood. Cedric Diggory had ash. Newt Scamander's birthday was the 24th of February, which was also ash, and he had a bit of ash on his wand. So that was the meaning on some of the wands, that they had the tree of their birthday.
Stood in front of the doors of the Great Hall. That means there is something very, very special just inside. So, speaking of special, do we have any of those birthdays or special occasions? Oh, we have one here, lovely, and one here. Can you two please come and join me at the doors? Now, we've got one hand on here and one hand on here. When I say Hogwarts, give it a big push, okay? Give everyone a big wave for your fans. Now, let me be the first to greet you all with the very words that Harry first heard when he came to the castle. Welcome to Hogwarts. Big push, big push. There we are. Big round of applause, please, for my helpers. Yes, this is indeed the Great Hall. It was one of the first sets ever created for the movies and was one of the largest. It stood for more than 10 years in a soundstage just over there actually during production filming before being moved here piece by careful piece. But please do come in through those doors, as once you are in the Great Hall, it makes for a lovely photo opportunity with those shut doors over there. But as you are coming in, I'm sure you can't help but notice the incredible Christmas decor we have with us today. Now, those garlands up on the walls there are the actual garlands used during Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. They have been reset and redressed for our feature this year by our prop making team. Now, while you're looking around, you might notice we have 1 or 2 Christmas trees in the Great Hall. Now, these once again are the Christmas trees used, and they have been set by our art department, constructed by our prop team, and then finished off by our set team. On the tops you can see our lovely little malevolent fairies spinning around up there. Those are put on by the special effects supervisor, John Richardson.